On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2018 XLR 29DK5 by Forest River. This impressive fifth-wheel toy hauler offers the ultimate combination of style, comfort, and adventure. The exterior of the XLR Nitro boasts an eye-catching design with its sleek fiberglass exterior and bold graphics, making it a true head-turner at any campsite. The interior of this toy hauler is nothing short of impressive. Relax on the large, comfortable recliner sofa. It's the perfect place to kick back and watch your favorite shows on the large TV. The kitchen features a solid surface countertop with a stainless steel sink with cutting board cover. There's a 3-burner stove with vent hood and microwave above, and 12-volt residential refrigerator. Preparing meals on the go has never been easier, and all the overhead storage space will ensure you're always well stocked. Just above the garage entry is a large loft that can be used as an extra sleeping space or additional storage. One of the standout features of this RV is the spacious convertible garage area. With 10 feet of cargo space, you'll have room for all your toys, whether it's ATVs, motorcycles, or kayaks. The heavy-duty tie-downs ensure your gear stays securely in place during travel. And once you've arrived at your destination, you can easily convert this space into a multitude of layouts, and even utilize the convenient washer-dryer hookups if needed. The bathroom is both elegant and functional, featuring a separated, vented toilet area and spacious shower with sliding glass doors and built-in seating. The skylight adds natural light, making it feel open and airy. The mirrored medicine cabinet and ceiling-to-floor linen shelves give you exceptional space for all your bathroom storage needs. The master bedroom is a true retreat. You'll find a king-sized bed with a memory foam mattress, ensuring a restful night's sleep. This toy hauler is the perfect companion for those who crave adventure without sacrificing luxury and comfort. And there's plenty of storage for your belongings, including a large wardrobe and overhead cabinets. From its striking exterior to its well-appointed interior, this RV has it all. Make your next adventure unforgettable and experience the freedom, excitement, and relaxation that only this exceptional RV can offer. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.